Do you often wonder how to get the perfect smooth line when applying silicone sealant with a gun? Now, you may have seen a professional do this or just noticed the fact that a cured, perfectly finished bead of sealant looks really neat and tidy. Well, this is achieved by what's known as tooling off. There's a few different ways to do this, but all that's involved is some sort of smoothing action. The most important thing to remember, whatever method you use or whatever materials you're using, whether it's a silicone, polyurethane or a polymer of some sort, you must use a barrier so that the choice of tool will not stick or drag to the applied silicone in the joint. This is done by spraying the joint and the tool with a soapy liquid such as a dedicated tool solution. But what's often used by professionals is just washing up liquid and water. I quite often use 3C silicone wipes. Then with a certain tool suited for the joint size, such as a plastic block, shaped stick, or even your finger, is then moved slowly but surely over the bead to give the desired finish. Any excessive residue can be carefully scraped from the surface to leave a smooth, even line of sealant prior to it curing. Now, for those of you who have never tried smoothing off sealant before, I often encourage beginners to apply 2 lines of masking tape on the both surface edges, just leaving around a 5mm gap on both sides. Apply your silicone using your gun, then using a smoothing tool or your finger, try to strike a consistent line until you're satisfied with the finish. And don't forget, keep using your 3C wipes to keep that surface clean and stop the solution sticking to either your finger or the tool. I hope that's answered your question, but if you've got any more, please comment below.